Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right clip and preparing hair. Pick a clip sized for hair thickness because grip depends on contact area. Once detangled, create a clear 1-2-inch section where the clip will sit. This gives a stable base. Then gather the section with your fingers, hold it taut, and insert the clip teeth facing the scalp so teeth catch the roots. Make sure the clip closes smoothly. If it slides, open and reposition slightly closer to the roots for better hold. Once the clip is anchored at the roots, press the top plate down while guiding teeth through the hair to lock tension. This prevents slippage. For half-up styles, gather crown hair and clip horizontally. For a side sweep, angle the clip toward the back. When creating a twist, twist the section before clipping to create friction. Make sure to add a little texture by teasing 1 or 2 inches if hair is very smooth, because texture increases grip and keeps styles lasting longer. To finish, smooth surrounding hair and use loose strands or a small ribbon to conceal the clip if desired. This gives a polished look. Then test the hold by tilting and gently shaking your head to simulate movement. If it holds, you're done. If it slips, don't panic. Reposition closer to roots, switch to a larger clip, or add 1 bobby pin crossing the clip for extra security. Make sure to check for discomfort and adjust so it sits flat and pain-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.